Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh and today is the 6th February and my video topic is conditional statement. What is meant by conditional statement? Based upon the certain condition to control the flow, this is known as conditional statement. And there are very many advantages of conditional statement. It is simplify the code. It is a code which will be flexible and it is a readable. It is a execution on a certain condition. Execution on certain condition, and there are many advantages of the conditional statement. Following are the few conditional statement. First one is the if. Second was if else. Third one is if else ladder. And fourth one is a switch statement. There are four type of conditional statement. They are discussed one by one. First one is the if statement. When condition will be only one condition. When the condition is true, they execute the block of the code. That time to use the if condition. For example, in a class, to check that 2 is even or not, then the condition will be applied if given number mod of 2 is equal to 0. That time they execute the sysout statement is the even number. That time use the only one condition. That time use the if statement. Another one is the if else statement is the advanced part of the if statement. At that time only one condition, but first condition not true, the false condition will be the else condition will be executed. When true condition not executed and not matched to the given output, that time use the else statement. Example of that if else statement is in a class to check same example to check the even or not. At that time if given number is mod of 2 is equal to 0, that time execute the sysout statement is even, or the else in else condition. This is the odd statement, odd number. When first condition is not true, that time execute the block else block. These are the if else statement example. Another type of the condition statement if else ladder statement. In that statement there are many conditions, not a one. There are many conditions. When they are in many conditions, one which one is the which one is the true, that block will be executed. For example, in a class to check given number given is a number even odd or prime or not prime. That time you check the number. There are multiple block to given number is even or odd, and they are alphabetical or not. They alphabetical or not. They many condition will be situated in that class, and which one will be true to matching to the given output. That time will be used to the if else ladder condition. These are the example of if else ladder. And another control statement will be is a switch statement. Switch statement will be similar kind of the EPS ladder with the advanced part of the EPS ladder. There are multiple cases, and which one case will be matched, that time execute that block. In multiple cases will be situated, that time we will be use the switch statement. For example, in a class, to check which one day of the week when integer day is equals to 3, and that time switch expression, in a switch expression day will be day, and in that case switch case 1, day 1, switch day 2, switch day 3, switch day 1, that are the switch out statement will be Monday, and switch day 2, switch out statement will be Tuesday, and they are similar kind of the cases will be formed in the switch statement. And when which case will be matched to the switch statement, that block will be exclusive. In a given, there a day will be 3, the day is equal to 3, that case will be matched, that time execute the day 3 block. These are the switch statement of the statement of the switch statement, and this is the example of the switch statement. These are the 4 type of the control statement, and another is one is it is not a control statement, but it is an alternative of EPLs. This is a ternary operator. This is alternative of the EPLs. They are the another type to write the EPL statement in one line. They write if and else, both are statement in one line. Example: variable, condition, column left side will be true, else condition, and column right side will be the else statement. When condition is true, left side will be executed. When condition is false, the right side will be executed. This is alternative option of the if else statement. These are the all type of the control statement, and there are various advantages of the control statement. They are follows. Code will be simplified. Code will be controlled according to our demand. Code readability will be more. When we read the code, they exactly condition will be see. They understand what you say the code, and they can simplify the code. Flexibility is a more according to situation. The code will be flexible by using the control statement. These are the all about the control statement. These are the all about the discuss today discuss about the control statement. They are the types and also advantages. Thank you.